Acura is pushing forward with confidence as it updates the Integra lineup for 2026, celebrating 4 decades of sporty refinement. The latest model builds on its award-winning foundation with new colors, smarter tech, and sharper design, all while keeping its signature 5-door liftback practicality. What is new this time around? For starters, a larger 9-inch touchscreen is now standard, making daily interaction with the interface quicker and smoother thanks to a faster processor. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility now come standard too, along with a wireless charging pad that removes the hassle of cables. Visually, the Integra A-Spec gets a serious glow-up. Acura is offering 3 fresh exterior paint colors: Solar Silver Metallic, Urban Gray Pearl, and Double Apex Blue Pearl. For those choosing the blue or Performance Red Pearl shades, a sporty color-matched grille is now included, adding even more visual punch. Gloss black grille accents remain an option for those wanting an extra edge. The A-Spec's new Aero body kit brings gloss black spoilers to the front corners and sculpted side sills that improve both looks and aerodynamics. New 18-inch black wheels complete the aggressive stance. Inside, the A-Spec trim adds stylish details like new blue micro suede inserts with orchid interiors or yellow stitching for ebony interiors. Performance-wise, the Integra is still all about fun. The 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine produces 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque, paired with either a segment-exclusive 6-speed manual or a continuously variable automatic transmission with paddle shifters. A helical limited slip differential comes with the manual for maximum traction. The available adaptive damper system lets you fine-tune the suspension for comfort, normal, or sport modes, or create your own combo with individual mode. Ride quality is tight and confident thanks to an ultra-rigid body and fully independent suspension. Steering is precise, braking is strong, and the integrated dynamic system lets you toggle between drive modes easily. Whether commuting or carving up canyon roads, the Integra keeps things engaging. Tech is also a strong suit. A 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster is standard, while the available technology package adds a 5.3-inch head-up display, Alexa built-in, and a premium 16-speaker ELS Studio 3D audio system. Front and rear USB-C ports ensure devices stay charged, while the cabin remains sleek with high-end materials and a low dashboard for better visibility. Safety remains a high priority. Every Integra comes standard with Acura Watch driver assist technology, including collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. The A-Spec with the technology package adds parking sensors and low-speed braking control. With a blend of performance, practicality, and premium features, the 2026 Acura Integra continues to be the benchmark in the premium sport compact segment. It arrives at dealers next month. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on everything Acura and beyond.